I found a new one now.
She's got a burn on calories. There's a girl.
Catherine Wheeler, you want? Here we've got plenty of
Chocolate! Martin! That's a gingerbread thing.
Do you want to try a bit?
No, let me pop it! Oh, that's right, look. Look through the camera then.
and a packet for Christmas.
What's that? I like that. It's good as that.
And then it sent me this. My local is doing a bonfire night special. You get 2 beers, a muslin, the camera set with a box of matches. It's called 2 pints of lager and a packet, Chris. Packet. Chris.
Whoa! Scream! Big rocket, black one again, or red one?
Big rocket.
Big rocket. What's that box?
How many we got left in here? 2.
Yeah. Can go fire.
Yes, hold that there. Hold. Oh, it's stuck. And again.
It's actually tie round it. Whoa! That was a big one.
What are you doing, Beth? Because that'll melt. Let Andy do it. You can do this one, Beth. Because that's paper, alright?
I think it's got Oh, that's your feet.
Right, what should we doing? Keep on myself. What, are we wanting more rockets down or what? The rocket's in the box.
Can't see my
Which
feet.
box?
No, that's stupid.
Oh, yeah, let's go. You got my chocolate. She got my chocolate. She got my chocolate.
Mum, give it to her. No.
What? You giving out my chocolate?
Yeah. I've got a top in there.
That one's as good as the first one.
So I had 10 of them. Mate, so I can bring that.
Is it not going round?
Yeah, I like it, don't you?
Oh, I don't think what's open.
No. Got lid on.
Oh, that's coffee. And there you've got a rock in your hand. Is it?
You can't.
You stop. What? That rocket.
Carry on. And you were sent in the house.
I mean, what is?
Let's pick it. Go inside the house, Mum. Mum, could I go inside the house? I can't see my clothes.
You mean as a family, I swear, Millie, I will turn the internet off. You are not going in the house.
I can't see my clothes.
Well, if you move your feet, you'll feel it goes.
Right,
Go stand a bit closer to fire.
Yeah. Uncle Andy.
Oh, it's a bit warm.
Big one. Is it big or little, or is it with Dan? Woo! Woohoo! Oh. That's good. I got every single one of them. Hey, you want to watch them all after?
Alright, let's go get this fight.
Give me a chance to get there and get back.
Like, that's the camera. Yay! Is that? It took me. Yeah. I got it. I will still keep that one quiet. Ooh. Oh, that one right good.
Yeah, go get one or two, yeah? Go get some.
No, that's good.
Oh, that was nice. I like that one. Can I attach you to a rocket?
Attach it to a rocket, you got stairs.
Yay!
Watch out for it.
Yeah, that just got me up there.
Force it down.
Yeah. Leave the move alone.
No. Force it down. No, for free.
Oh.
Hey, I'm not doing more rockets, mate.
We want some normal fireworks.
Hey, the super here.
You want your chair moving up? You want the chair
What's the chair moving up, Ollie? Move further than hello. Yeah, thrust it up there, look. Well, at least you'll be warm. As long as you're warm. Wasn't me.
moving up?
No, I'm fine, look. I'm okay. Especially with where those rocket sticks have been landing. You don't want to get hit by one. I'll put up with the frozen feet. I took up with it. Pins and needles, pins and needles. What are you doing?
Oh. The fireworks.
God, that stinks. God, that is big.
There's a big one. So loud.
No.
That one. Yes.
Come on, put them on back.
Yeah, put the 100 ones, 1,000
back.
Yeah. Better to last with the biggest ones there.
Boom!
That's true, all the big ones went first, and I was like, oh, that's half.
Sorry? Oh,